The caipirinha is Brazil's national cocktail, known for its refreshing and tangy flavor. It's traditionally made with cachaça, a distilled spirit made from fermented sugarcane juice. You will need the following ingredients: 1 lime, fresh, cut into wedges, 2 teaspoons sugar, granulated white or superfine, 2 ounces, cachaça, Brazilian sugarcane spirit to fill ice, crushed. For equipment you will need rocks glass, muddler, bar spoon, knife, cutting board. Here are the instructions. Start by cutting the lime into 8 wedges. Place the lime wedges in a rocks glass. Add the sugar over the lime wedges. Use a muddler to crush the limes and sugar together, releasing the juice and dissolving the sugar. Fill the glass with crushed ice. Pour the cachaça over the ice. Stir well with a bar spoon to mix all the ingredients. Garnish with a lime wedge if desired. The name caipirinha is derived from the Portuguese word caipira, which means someone from the countryside, reflecting its rustic beginnings.